Hi students, welcome to Orion Study Met. Today I am going to introduce 10th class chemistry chapters. The first chapter in chemistry is acids, bases and salts. So in this chapter you will face chemical properties of acids and bases. So what are the chemical properties of acids where you have studied in your lower classes? Acids are sour to taste. They turn blue litmus paper to red. Acids react with the bases, forming salt and water. They turn the color of methyl orange indicator to red color. Colorless phenolphthalein in acidic medium does not undergo any change. These are the properties of acids where you have studied in your lower classes. So what are the properties of bases? Bases are bitter to taste. They are soapy to touch. They turn red litmus paper into blue. They turn the color of methyl orange indicator to yellow. In basic medium, the colorless phenolphthalein turns to pink color. Bases react with acids, forming salt and water. So, these are the properties of bases. So, in the acids and bases, you will face the chemical properties of acids and bases, reactions of acids and bases with the metals, reactions of acids with the carbonates and bicarbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates, reaction of acids with the metallic oxides, reaction of bases with the non-metallic oxides, neutralization reaction, pH, family of salts, and water of crystallization. These are the main concepts in this chapter where you will face. So this chapter is very, very important for 1 mark and 2 marks as well as 4 marks questions also. So especially in 4 mark questions in this chapter, you will face a question like this. So draw a neat diagram showing the conductivity of acid solution in water. You have to draw the diagram. It is very, very important. Sometimes it is asked in 2 marks as well as in 4 marks also. Another important 4 marks question is, what is water of crystallization? Describe an activity to explain water of crystallization. So these are the concepts in the first chapter. So the second chapter is atomic structure or structure of atom. This chapter is basic for your higher study. In this chapter you will face spectrum and the electromagnetic wave, Maxwell-Planck quantum theory, Bose-Sommerfeld atomic model, and quantum atomic model, quantum numbers, electronic configuration, Pauli's exclusion principle, Aufbau principle, Hund's rule. So these are the main concepts in this chapter where you face. So this chapter is also very, very important for 1 mark, 2 marks as well as the 4 mark questions also. Regarding the diagram, in 2 marks or sometimes in 4 marks you will face, draw a neat diagram of Mylar chart and SPD orbitals and electromagnetic wave. Draw a neat diagram of electromagnetic wave. So in 1 mark or 2 marks, explain Pauli's exclusion principle and the elements with atomic number. You have to write the electronic configuration. In 4 marks, sometimes Bohr's atomic model and also Sommerfeld elliptical model And the Aufbau, state and explain Aufbau principle with an example. Hund's rule. So all these you will face in these chapters. So the third chapter in chemistry is classification of element, or you can say periodic classification of elements. You can say classification of elements or periodic classification of elements. So in this chapter you will face necessity of classification of elements, Dauberne's law of triads, Newland's concept of octaves, Mendeleev's periodic table and its limitations. So in this Mendeleev's periodic table and its limitations, for 1 mark, state Mendeleev's periodic law is very, very important for 1 mark question. And modern periodic table or Moseley's periodic table or long form of periodic table. So state the salient features of modern periodic table, or state the salient features of Moseley's periodic table, state the salient features of long form of periodic table. So the question will be asked in 3 types. So matter is same, question is different. And Moseley's periodic classification of elements. This, and also how the properties of elements, that is atomic radius or atomic size, ionization energy, electronegativity, electropositive character differ in a period and a group. How these properties vary in a period and a group. And ionization energy, and what are the factors that favors ionization energy. A question is asked in 1 mark, sometimes in 2 marks. Why the second ionization energy or ionization potential is greater than the first ionization energy or ionization potential? The question will be asked like this. So, the periodic laws are very, very important in 1 mark questions. State Mendeleev's periodic table, state modern periodic law, or state Moseley's periodic law. Like this, the questions will come. State and explain Mendeleev's periodic classification of elements, or Moseley's periodic classification of elements. So these are the main concepts where you face in this third chapter, that is classification of elements. Now, fourth chapter is chemical bonding. This is also very important for your higher study. So in this chapter you will face Lewis symbols, electronic theory of valency by Lewis and Kosel, ionic bond with examples. The question asked like this: state ionic bond and explain with suitable examples. Or they will ask like this: explain the formation of ionic bond with suitable examples. Covalent bond and examples. Explain the formation of covalent bond with suitable examples. And hybridization, shape of molecules, Vesper theory, valency shell electron pair repulsion theory. Vesper theory means valency shell electron pair repulsion theory. And also valency bond theory. So these are all the concepts where you face in this classification of elements, periodic classification of elements. And the fifth chapter is metallurgy. Fifth chapter of chemistry part is metallurgy. So what is metallurgy? Metallurgy is the science which deals the extraction of metals profitably. Extraction of metals from their ores must be profitable. So the science which deals the extraction of metals from their ores profitably is called metallurgy. So in this chapter, you will face about the ores and concentration of the ores, purification of metals, and corrosion, prevention of corrosion, roasting, smelting, calcination, and also you will face how the purification of crude metals taking place. And you will study about the furnaces in this chapter, reverberatory furnace and also the blast furnace. And the formulas of the ores are very, very important. For example, the important ore of aluminum is bauxite. Its chemical formula is Al2O3. For example, the important ore of magnesite, MgCO3. Dolomite, CaCO3, MgCO3. Epsom salt, MgSO4 7H2. Galena, PbS, lead sulfide. Ginsite. So, the ores of these elements will be asked in 1 mark and 2 marks questions. So, regarding the diagrams part of this chapter, reverberatory furnace for 4 marks is very, very important, where you have to practice. So, students, in this chapter, you will face 1 mark, 2 marks, as well as some 4 marks questions also. So, these are the concepts of this chapter. First part of chemistry part is chemistry of carbon compounds or organic chemistry. So, this chapter in 10th class is basic for your higher study, for intermediate organic study. So, if you concentrate a lot at the 10th class level, especially the carbon and its compounds, it will be easy for you in intermediate classes. So in this chapter, the main concepts you will face: importance of carbon, because carbon plays a vital role in forming organic compounds. Carbon valency is 4. So its valency is called as tetravalency. So carbon forms a number of bonds, nearly 4 bonds with other elements. So because of its tetravalency and its catenation power, carbon forms innumerable number of organic compounds. Some millions of organic compounds are formed by this carbon. That's why carbon plays a vital role or important role in forming organic compounds. So in this chapter, you will face the importance of carbon, catenation, and also isomerism, and the nomenclature of organic compounds, hybridization. So in hybridization, in this chapter, you will learn with some examples. Types of hybridization: sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization, sp3 hybridization. And hydrocarbons. So in the hydrocarbons also, there are saturated hydrocarbons, unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons are alkanes. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are alkenes and alkynes. And the functional groups. These functional groups are very, very important for 1 mark and 2 marks questions. So esters, amines, so ethers, alcohols, these are in the functional groups. Functional groups, isomerism. And also hydrocarbons, functional groups, isomerism. And in this chapter, you will face some important reactions: combustion, oxidation reactions, and substitution reactions, and esterification reactions. Substitution reactions are very, very important. Substitution reaction takes place in the presence of sunlight that is outside. And esterification reactions. Esterification reaction in public point of view, very, very important. Where in the esterification reaction, esters are formed. Esters are formed. And also in this chapter, you will face the saponification. Saponification is nothing but formation of soap. How the soap is formed. The process of formation of soap is in this chapter you will face, and also detergents and micelles. So these are the main concepts of 6 chapters of 10th class chemistry. So the last chapter, chemistry of carbon compounds, is very, very important for your higher study, because it is a basic for you. So you have to concentrate a lot. In chemistry of carbon compounds, carbon is the only element forming innumerable number of compounds. And it shows a special property, catenation, isomerism. And Wohler is the scientist who prepared urea in the laboratory from ammonium thiocyanate. So accidentally he heated the ammonium cyanide and he prepared urea in the laboratory. So many things in this chemistry of carbon compounds you will face. So you will study about alkanes, alkenes and all kinds, combustion reactions. So all these parts of the chemistry in the last chapter of this chemistry you will study. So overall, so the 6 chapters, acids, bases and salts. So regarding basing on these acids, bases and salts in your higher study, you will study about Arrhenius theory of acids and bases, pH values, and all those things in your higher study you will learn. And next 2nd chapter, atomic structure or structure of atom, it is also basic for your higher study. All Bohr's atomic model, quantum model, all these things you will learn. Classification of elements, it is also very, very important for your higher study. And also chemical bonding. Chemical bonding is very, very important. That is ionic bond, chemical, and mainly hybridization. sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization, sp3, this is useful for your intermediate study where you face a lot. And also metallurgy, to some extent it is useful. And last part of this chemistry is chemistry of carbon compounds. It is very, very important where you have to concentrate a lot. So okay students, so today I introduced the 10th class chemistry chapters, that is 6 chapters where you have to concentrate a lot. And during in chemistry of carbon compounds, the last chapter, the structures must be practiced. For example, methane, formula CH4, 4 hydrogens will be attached to carbon. So for example, CH4 is written like this. So CH4 formula. So structure is at the center, carbon is there, 4 hydrogens are attached. So like this, these structures you have to practice a lot in 10th class chemistry as well as in your higher study. So just if you write a structure, you will get the marks. So students, these 6 chapters of chemistry are very, very important where you have to concentrate a lot and practice a lot. So you will face somewhat difficulty in some chapters, but if you practice it, it is very, very easy for you. Chemical bonding, it is somewhat critical. Atomic structure, somewhat critical. In the middle, chemistry of carbon compounds, it is also in the middle, you feel somewhat difficulty. So to overcome these difficulties in these chapters, you have to practice a lot. You have to concentrate and practice a lot. So students, these are the 6 chapters of chemistry of 10th class. So you have to concentrate a lot. Okay, students, thank you.